kitty. My kitty. Let me introduce you to our savings account. This is our savings account. This is how we save money. So I got this off of Outlook. $50. We've got about $100 in our account, maybe a little bit more than that. So one of the things I do is, if that's the case and I don't really need this, we'll take it back to Nordstrom Rack and I get about $50 back. Our other one is kind of hard to see this, but hi honey bunny. But this cup here is also our savings account, and it's got change in it. So that's our savings account. And in fact, I have $40 more left. Wait, I have $40 more left that'll be added into the savings account pretty soon. It's got electrolytes.
Electrolytes.
We're watching Idiocracy, so that's our thing. It's got electrolytes. Today is Organizational Wednesday. I am going to go through, these are all outdoor kind of decor stuff that I have not unraveled. I got some lights that I'm going to take care of, so that's what we're going to do today. And if I get any time, I might deal with this, but first I want to do this unraveling, and I definitely have my work cut out for me. So, as I'm doing Organizational Wednesdays, I'm getting into some comfy clothes. I'm still going to brush my teeth. I had my quiet time. My quiet time was, hey Maggie. My quiet time was I Love the Lord. Is that the song? With Whitney Houston. Oh my gosh, that should be a quiet time. That's your quiet time for the day. Just play that song by Whitney Houston with the Atlanta choir. Oh my gosh. All right, so here we go. Going into the bathroom. I'm gonna brush my teeth. I'm gonna put a little bit of this stuff on because I self-tanned. You can't see it too well, but I did a little self-tanning, and I like to take off whatever excess that's there. I should probably take a quick bath too so I can wash off. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Do a little, trying to keep myself on a schedule. So here I go. I'm just gonna record, and then whatever I decide to, so whatever that's kind of boring, I'll get rid of. I got a little bit more light there. Hello. These are my, so I go to this place called Sundays. They do red light therapy. They do infrared heat therapy. They also have this amazing massage chair. I talk about it all the time. I've been going since March. So I've been going pretty steadily, which is like amazing, because usually, like, sorry about this pull. Anyway, but usually I can only handle going for like a couple of times in a month, and that's a lot for me. So it's pretty amazing that I've been able to. So anyway, they have spray tans also. It's kind of a tanning place, but they happen to have these amazing things that are really helpful for the chronic illness community. So they have a Versa Spa spray tan, and then they also have it in a can. I just got my second can because I was running low, and this is kind of like how it looks. It's a nice tan. It's not too orange. Actually, I don't think that's always the problem for me. Is, I don't know. I think it looks good. Anyway, so I'm putting this away. And, let me tell you something else. So in my bathroom, I always keep inspiration all around my bathroom. So this is like a little index book thingy. And sometimes in the bathroom, when I'm there for a long time, I like to read. It says, this is a book called Finding Forgiveness. If we analyze the situation, it is possible to realize that the past is past. It is possible to realize that continuing to feel anger and hatred serves no purpose. So I like that. You know, when you got to work on forgiveness, because after a while it's just going to consume you. I'll hasten to his throne. Some fresh water for my puppy dog. Situation. Doing some laundry. Yeah, so I guess today is going to be puttering. So I just brushed my teeth. In fact, let me tell you, it's really good toothpaste. I gotta recommend this one. Colgate Max White does everything. and it has I got it from the dollar store. So like for this, I'm gonna try this. It's actually good for my skin, it's good for my health, it's good for my mental health. When I feel good, it's like when I've had a really good day of pampering. Oh, bring you over here. There we go. When I've had a really good day of pampering, the next day I feel like that I'm more inclined to want to get out and do more. Whereas if I keep putting it off, well, I mean, I have to because I don't feel good, it's just less likely to be active. So it's like pampering yourself. It's self-care. It's not being selfish. You're taking care of yourself. I'm going to do my cold cream to loosen up my skin. I'm going to start with a spray, cold cream, and then I'm going to use my nip fab to get off the extra scaly stuff. And then, Maggie! And then I'm going to go over a little bit of oil on my face, like that. So I think, Maggie! Jeez! Come on now! What are you barking at? Maggie. She's protecting the house. Sometimes I think she's a little overprotective. What? What? All right, let's go see. Let's go. She just gets on our nerves, our last nerves, because she barks and she won't stop. And you're just like, I mean, you feel like you're going to lose your mind. I'm sure that I'm not the only person. I love this stuff. This is my Garnier Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day-Night Mask made with rose water. You know what this is? It's cold cream. But they're making it sound fancy. It's cold cream. And as you know, so far I haven't had a lot of comments. I guess nobody wants it. I know, it's like, it's not that expensive. I mean, you could just get it anywhere. But I just thought I'd make it a little easier. But I haven't had any comments. Which is okay, it's no biggie. But anyway, so just putting this on. I also deal with a lot of redness, and honestly, I really feel like this stuff has helped my redness, rosacea. I guess you're kind of like spending the day with me. Yeah, I kind of like that. Hey, Maggie. Try to straighten up the kitchen a little bit. I want to get this, do some fabric stuff on there and make it look nice, and fix the couch that Maggie keeps violating. You see all that? That's her. She likes to, like, what she does is she jumps up, she climbs up on this, and then this is like her ideal sleeping area, just like that, which it's not her couch, but you know how it is in the house when you have a dog, animal, they take over. You just get to share their stuff, not the other way around. Where are you? There you are, your little tail. You see this? You see this couch? Hey, I'm talking to you. I want it the way I had it. Not you mess it up. And then guess what I gotta do? I gotta fix it. You're like a couch destroyer or something. I don't know. I got this at a thrift store. It says good morning, which is like the story of my life. It should actually be good morning. This is what I got at Bed Bath & Beyond. You know why? It's the only thing I could afford there. Pretty much can't afford anything there, even though they have really cute stuff. All right, Maggie, we were having a talk. You see this couch? You see how it is? Come here. I wanted to share this with you. Okay, this is the way I want my couch, like that. Huh? See? See this couch? That's the way I want it. You don't care, do you? You don't care. Just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing here. I put 2 different tablecloths with this on top. See how that goes. I kind of like the idea of mixing patterns and stuff like that. So we'll see. This is a lovely daily calendar my friend gave me for my 50th birthday. Love that. Totally me. Here it is, guys. Just finished up straightening up. This is stuff I'm going to give to a friend. I got this set up. Like, it looks pretty good. I'm going to put a candle in that guy. Maybe I'll take some pictures. I like it. I like it. And then I did this presentation. Kind of funny because if you look at it, it's got the E and then the T, a little bit of A. Eat. Someday. That's where I usually sit, right there. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. Still haven't gone through all this stuff. Alright, so this is what I'm wearing. We're gonna go to the beach, hang out. Probably wearing stuff that's too dark. Hey.
Hey.
And Maggie's coming with us.
Ready for the beach. Let's do it.
Let's do this.